Hello, I'm Vanila, and I'd like to share with you what I've got at home for quite a few years. A kind of thing that I like to play with, and it's so fun to use and do projects and all sorts of things. So this is my DREMEL. My DREMEL. Have a look. I thought I'm going to clean it slightly of dust a little bit. So have a look at my DREMEL. I love it so much. I do so many projects on it, and have a look at the things that I do. I've done this, which is like a web spider web, which is a bra. Well guessed, a bra, yeah. And this one is a second bit. But the thing is, these ones have to be removed. These bits here have to be removed. And then you get the second one like this. So I can create a bra and then make some videos for you to enjoy. Seeing me wearing 3D printed bra like this. And this is my cute teddy bear that I've done it. My purple teddy bear. It's actually a toy. And we use this mask as a mascot on our channel, Honey and Anna. And it gives us a lot of company. So, my DREMEL has worked quite a lot, and I've done quite a few projects. These are one of them, a couple of them. I love this teddy bear, so cute. I hope you like my DREMEL, my 3D printer. I'll be using more frequently, and I'll be doing a lot of projects, sharing it also with you. So I hope you love it. Thank you for watching me. Love you lots, and see you next time in another video. I'm Vanila.